West Indies Players Association Secretary Wayne Lewis says its members are very concerned about recent salary cuts announced by Cricket West Indies. The Ricketts Carrot-led administration last week announced a temporary 50% cut in salaries and cricket funding across the entire regional cricket system, effective from the start of July.
There are issues, and it's a genuine situation, but they want to ensure that, and they have empowered us to ensure that we'll get the best deal for them, to ease the pressure on them, because this is their job now. The new dispensation since 2014 is that this is their job. They're not employed outside of cricket. So cricket is their job. They get up in the morning, they prepare themselves all day about cricket. So that's where they earn their living, and therefore it's important that we get the best deal for them. So they are very concerned and they are very depressed.
Lewis says the issue is compounded by the fact that centrally contracted players who compete at the regional first-class level are still owed match fees.
Of course, we're hoping that Cricket West Indies will honour the agreement that we have, that they'll ensure that all outstanding match fees will be paid by June 30. We don't want to go into the new contract year, which is July 1, with monies owing for 2019, 2020. So that's another issue that we are working with them to ensure that they deliver on that as well.
Earlier this week, Lewis told TVJ Sports that WIPA had already written to Cricket West Indies asking them to reconsider their decision. According to Cricket West Indies, the decision will mean territorial boards, franchises and WIPA will see their funding cut in half, and all retainers and allowances for directors and executive management will also be cut by 50%.